Hi everybody, I just wanted to check in again today. It's Friday, March the 20th, and as I mentioned during my last video, I'm just going to be checking in every couple of days to let you know what's happening in the real estate market. Of course, this COVID-19 is affecting us in so many different ways, in the economy, in the markets, in our jobs, your profession, mine as well. So with regard to real estate, I just wanted to keep you up to date on the market. So without further ado, over the past 2 days since my last video, in Guelph, there have been 35 new listings and 13 firm sales. So we're seeing a lot of listings come onto the market and not quite as many sales. Now with that said, prices are still high and sale price to list price ratio is still extremely high. So on average, the homes that have sold over the past 2 days have sold for 2.84% over list price, and it's taken on average 16 days to sell those homes in Guelph. When we look at Waterloo Region as a whole, there have been 150 new listings and 48 firm sales. So we're seeing about a third sales to the number of listings. With that said, we're still at 107% sale price to list price ratio. So on average, the average home is selling for 7% over list price, and it's taking 12 days to do so. So with that said, definitely interesting times in the real estate world. My brokerage has canceled all open houses. My suggestion to you is if you don't need to buy or you don't need to sell right now, let's just pause our lives. Let's focus on our families, staying at home, staying isolated and socially distanced. But if you are in a situation where you do need to buy or you do need to sell, I'm here for you. I'm happy to help, and we'll take the necessary precautions to minimize any risks that we pose on ourselves or others. So thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Stay positive and stay safe. Thanks a lot.